You can't use your hands. You can't.
Okay, Mike.
Bend over.
If that's how you want them out.
Alright.
You can't bend over, that'll all come out.
That's
You
good.
can't stand on your hands, but you can jump around and wiggle your butt. But you have to get all your balls out. The first person to get all your balls out. You're going to have to kind of look around and watch, too.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Rachel, too.
Okay.
Hang on.
Dude, you can't do 2 phones. I'll just send it to you.
I'm doing mine in slow mo.
This is gonna be impossible.
It's on the small of your back, that's why.
All right, Rachel, you got to tell us
should
when
put
to
it down
go.
our
Ready?
butt.
All right.
Listen.
Wait, these should be down our butt more so we can
Not the small of our
get a
back.
good pop.
Well,
So we can get a good
fix
like.
it if you need to. Whatever. You ready?
Go. Ready, set, go.